gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Alright, so today we've got VIVO's brand new flagship in hand, the X300 Ultra, and this one is all about pushing camera performance to the next level. Let's go ahead and unbox it. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. As soon as you open the box, the very first thing you see is the phone itself. Interestingly, unlike most recent smartphones, the packaging here is a bit different. You actually open it from the side, which gives it a slightly unique feel right from the start. And here it is, the VIVO X300 Ultra. Let's talk about this color first. This shade is officially called film green, and it looks really clean. The back panel features a two-tone finish that feels light and nicely textured in the hand. It doesn't pick up fingerprints easily, which is always a plus. Even though it's a dual-tone design, it feels smooth overall, not sharp at all, and the color itself is quite subtle with a low saturation look that gives it a premium vibe. Also, you'll notice the VIVO branding is now placed vertically at the bottom left corner. Now moving on to the camera module. And honestly, this is where things get really interesting. Compared to the previous X200 Ultra, this looks like a major upgrade. Just like the X300, it comes with a unibody volcano-style camera layout surrounded by a silver aluminum alloy ring that adds a bold touch. That pointed section houses a massive 200 megapixel telephoto lens with a golden focal length, and at the bottom there's also a newly added multi-spectral camera. Taking a look at the frame, VIVO has gone with a metal right-angle design this time, but thanks to the chamfered edges on the back panel, it still feels very comfortable in hand and not sharp at all. On the top and bottom, you get a symmetrical dual speaker setup, which is great for audio. Let's power it on, and while that's happening, let's quickly check out what else you get inside the box. The included case matches the phone's color, and it's made from a lightweight matte material that actually feels quite nice. You also get a 100-watt gallium nitride charger, the same one used with the iQOO 15, and that's pretty much everything included. Now, coming to the display, first impressions, it looks incredibly sharp. You're getting a 3168 by 1440 resolution, which is basically a 2K panel, along with a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. This time, VIVO has gone with a flat display, which feels like a shift compared to the quad curved style we saw on the X200 Ultra. So I'm curious, which one do you prefer? The front also features evenly sized bezels on all four sides, giving it a clean and symmetrical look. It's not that rounded octagonal style. Instead, it leans more towards a squared-off display design. Now, the official launch hasn't happened yet, but we already have this demo unit available at our offline store. This video is just a quick unboxing and first impressions. Once the phone officially launches, I'll be bringing you a full, in-depth review. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and be part of our tech community. That's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.